Hi guys, Chef Joe here. I just wanted to give you a quick channel update and let you know that I am very sorry about my upload schedule the last several months. It's been terrible. I know that, and I apologize. As the restaurant reopened, and I was working 80 plus hour weeks, it was really difficult to keep up with current content. As we slow down over the winter, I'm going to be uploading more. I'm hoping to adhere to this schedule, Wednesdays and Sundays, meaning that the things I shoot on Wednesdays will be uploaded on Sundays, and the things I shoot on Sundays will be uploaded on Wednesdays. So that is what I'm planning to do. This pause, though, has also given me time to figure out and see what you guys actually want and look back at what I've made so far and realize that the basic things that I was leaving out of what I was teaching you. Because I focus primarily on just techniques of doing things rather than recipes, I need to focus more on that. And that's the biggest thing, because anybody can follow a list of recipes. And what is a recipe really, other than just a list of stuff, right? But a recipe isn't the way you make food. It is a guideline. And as I've said always, it's just a guideline. You got to do it until it tastes right the way you want it. And, a lot of, honestly, top chefs, I've never seen them make things twice the same way twice, even if the recipe says, do it this way. If you watch them do it, it's, well, they did that, but then they added this and then they took this out and, whatever. So, and I do that myself. I mean, honestly, even though my certain dishes taste identical every time I make them, I don't really follow my own recipes all the time. I do follow them for the ingredients, but I do things somewhat a little bit differently. And that technique, but the focus on the technique is the important part. So if you have the solid techniques, what you do as far as order of operations and things like that, it doesn't really matter, because if the technique is solid, you will produce good product at the end of it. So that's what we're going to get into. I'm going to do some more stuff on TikTok as well, because that is a short form format. I think I can do more there. And that's going to focus just on quick tips, knife care, things like that, how to cut things. And then we're going to move into holiday prep. It is the holiday season, and we can move into, like hams and eggnog and things like that you guys have been asking about. I'm also going to do the birria tacos. I've been asked about that repeatedly. I am doing that this week, so look for that to pop up into your feeds, and also there'll be links here on Facebook as well as on YouTube and things. So I hope everybody is staying safe. I'm doing my best to do so as well. And please, please, please hang in there. It's going to be a long couple of months, but we can all do this together. All right. Have a good day, and I will see you soon.